the incredible Riki Rose.
Moira Bravoisa. Last time I did this song, I had to stop in the middle because I started. Ich habe gesehen Stirns. Ich habe gesehen Stirns. Jetzt weißt du, was das meint? I was seeing stars. So let's try it another time. Yirachem aleh